That bitch was cracked. Fix something in the camper because I'm bored. Right now, the shower head leaks from the base. There's not even room to take a shower in here. Bought a new kit. The whole bathroom situation is really the only reason why I want to get rid of the camper. My partner can't fit in the shower. I'm missing one of the screws. A lot of it is PEX tubing. Sink area is actually pool tubing. These here that go like that. Make sure this fits first. 2 washer screws under here from being on here like that. Alright, we're just going to put a little bit of water tape. Is this the proper way to do this? Probably not. I'm a general contractor's daughter, so I know how to do shit, but I don't know how to do shit right. The old one had this in. This is probably a limiter. This helps with you not using so much flow. I have one of these for this, but when I had this shower on before, it was not functional. I only have a 5-gallon water tank in this. Water pressure is more important. And it's like very possible that the other one had nothing wrong with it. This is all plastic, and I don't know where it was leaking from, because it would leak from underneath. Actually, you can see right here. So all this time it was leaking. See, I knew it. Hell yeah. That bitch was cracked. How's that? Is that a good view? I can't believe that was cracked. You should winterize stuff. I did not. I don't like the idea of having antifreeze this winter. These need to come undone. I probably should have done this before I put on another length of water tape. Need to have a shower in here, but you know what I do want is I want the shower is long enough that I can take the shower head outside. I can get a shower outside instead. Turn the water on. We can test it together. Oh no. Oh, it seems you've gotten a bath while I was gone. The paper is now wet. Didn't think about turning off the fucking handles. Not the dude wipes. Here. Better? Okay. I guess I wanted to clean the bathroom while I was at it. That crack that I was showing you. This could be like damage from winter, but honestly, I wonder if I over tightened this piece here. But it's very interesting to see this out and knowing that it's leaking. So let me put the handle in the shower bed. Wow, this is totally better. And I have real water pressure. Holy crap.